Hello, I'm Kate Stichin on InstaForex TV with the fresh Forex news. The current economic deceleration is a favorable factor for long-term steady economic growth, and there is almost no risk of the second recession wave. This was declared in the People's Bank of China on Tuesday. The slowing down of the economic activity uprise in the second quarter to 10.3% versus the advance by 11.9% in the first quarter is partly determined by the high basis for comparison a year ago. In addition, the reduced tempo is caused by the governmental policy targeted to control real estate market prices, curbing of local governments' debt growth, and managing the inflation expectations, is stated by the Central Bank of China. Thus, the retardation of the economy is favorable for the correction of the national economic structure and to regular economic growth, declared the People's Bank of China. The inflation pressure has eased but is still high. It is necessary to keep being cautious regarding the possible prices enhancement in future, as food prices can increase and the salaries expenses are climbing. Meanwhile, the lagging impact of a soft monetary policy has not yet declared itself to a full extent, mentioned the bank. Almost one-fifth of the loans given to the local authorities in China are under threat of being repaid partly. As the source familiar with the situation acknowledges, this is proved by the data gathered by the banking regulator of China. This information provided to the China Banking Regulatory Commission by the commercial banks denote that almost 20% of loans given to finance platforms of the local governments were not secured by reasonable assurance and monetary funds, which makes them high risk. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team. Goodbye.